guys, welcome back to another video. So rather than just share a before and after picture, I thought I would make a behind the scenes look into what happens at my photo shoots and the very glamorous settings that I create my pictures in. For this shoot, it was literally just Scarlett and I, and we were shooting together one evening, and I wanted to keep it really chill but also create a picture that I was also very proud of. The inspiration for this photo shoot was actually a lavender bush that I drove past one day, and I've been keeping an eye on it for a little while. And when I noticed that it was quite full, I decided to just rock up and shoot in front of it, as you're gonna see. But that lavender bush was pretty much the inspiration for this whole look and how it came together. So the dress is from ASOS. The wig is actually sent to me by Eva Hair, who found me on Instagram. The crown is from an amazing designer from Australia called Monarch Crowns. So we've set Scarlett up by the side of the road. Just going to show you guys an overview of what it looks like. How do you feel, Scarlett?
I'm scared. There's lots of bees.
There's a lot of bees. Poor Scarlett, the things she does for me. I'm going to put you guys here. Okay. So I'm in the editing room now and I'm just having a little play on Photoshop, but I wanted to take a moment and show you guys the details that the Phase 1 captures. So a few of you guys might have noticed that I use a Phase 1 to capture this picture. I'm an ambassador for them, and my goodness, look at all this detail. It is so beautiful, right down to her pores, which is amazing. So anyway, I just thought I'd quickly show you that. So I thought I would show you guys how this picture came together by going through the layers. So the first thing I do is set up the composition of the photo. This is where I bring together elements from different photos and just make one banging picture. After that, it's a case of cleaning up, dodging and burning, and color turning, which is my absolute favorite bit. And that's pretty much it. So here is a before, and here's an after. So it just goes to show that you don't need, the most beautiful of locations to create beautiful photographs. You can literally create gorgeous pictures in everyday places. So I hope that in some small way this video inspired you to look around your environment with new eyes. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Until next time, bye!